subtracting fractions. So here you can see I have a problem, and it's 5 1/4 minus 3 3/4. Your job is to take this and subtract out the fractions and subtract out the whole numbers. So what I always suggest is that you use a picture to kind of show your work and your thinking. So we're going to represent 5 1/4. So far I've drawn 5 whole shapes and another shape divided into fourths. All of these shapes can be divided into fourths. So this means I have 5 whole and 1/4 of another one. So what I've done is I've colored in the 5 whole pieces and then 1/4 of the other piece. And so subtraction says that I need to take away 3 whole and 3/4 of another one. So I'm going to do that by crossing out my 3. 1, 2, 3. So that's that. And now I need to take away another fourth. Now, if you're just looking at numbers, it would make you believe that you don't have enough fourths to take away. But that's not true, because I know that every whole here could be broken up into 4/4. So I'm going to do that now. Now I've just broken that up into fourths. And so I've taken away 3, and now my job is to take away 3/4 of a whole. So I'm going to take away this, this, and this. So what I'm left with is this 1/4 and this 1/4. I could have taken that 1/4. It doesn't really matter. But now I'm going to put what I have left together. So if I'm looking at what's left, I have this one whole piece left. I have this 1/4 of piece left, and this 1/4 of piece left. So I'm going to write my answer as 1 whole, and then I'm going to put my 2/4 together. So this is 1/4, 2/4. I have 2/4 left of this. And if I wanted to break it up further, I could say that this 2/4 is 1/2. I can break it down even further, which means I'm going to reduce it or show an equivalent fraction. So if I have this 2/4 here, it's the same as saying that I have 1/2, because if I have one shape, and I'm going to just draw the one shape like this, and this is representing these two shapes here with 2 pieces, and 2 of the pieces are shaded, I can really say that half of this shape is shaded, and that's why it shows equivalent. Okay, so I can also say it's 1 and 1/2, and those two things mean the same exact thing as 1 and 2/4. They're equivalent.